How to add friends on Rockstar Social Club. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to add friends on your Rockstar Social Club, here is the process. First and foremost, launch the Rockstar Games, or you could go to its rockstargames.com website. Next up, you need to log in using your credentials. After that is done, tap on the profile which is on the top right corner. Then after go to the Friends tab and then tap on Import Friends. This is the first option to add friends. For this, you can either click on the icons to add friends from the different applications, or you could directly add emails and send a message to the friends as well. This way, once the invitation is sent, you can add them on the Rockstar Social Club. There is another process to do so as well. For this, you have to now go back to the same previous page and then tap on Find Friends. From here, you can find all the members of the Rockstar Social Club and add them as well. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.